Yeah, good day. This is Chibuzo Agowa, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel once again. Have you been a victim of recurrent payment on PayPal? What I mean that maybe you just sit by and you just receive an email that boom, certain amounts have been deducted from your PayPal balance. Well, if you're a victim for a long time, well, you have to put that to an end. So in this video, I will be showing you how to stop recurrent payments on PayPal. So let's go. Okay, welcome back. Well, in case you are new to this channel, I would like to give you a warm welcome. Yes, Blogging for Tech, like I said, remains the channel, and I try as much as possible to give you tutorials in the technology world. Yes, making it possible for you to carry out some functions on your own. Just like I said during the intro, I said I'll be teaching you how to stop recurrent payments on PayPal. Like you all know, I'm in Nigerian. We already know that PayPal hasn't activated yet, by which we can receive payment, but we do send payments. We make payments with our PayPal account by connecting our MasterCard, or yes, our bank MasterCard to PayPal, so we can make payments. People just like me, I like making payments using my PayPal. For example, I want to give you like this is my team shop. Yes, I do buy themes from this website for most of my blogs. Yeah, I do buy themes. So recently I had to pause recurrent payments, yes, because I don't want to make use of the theme again, so I have to place it on pause. So that means that they won't bill me in renewal of that theme. So that's why I want to teach you the step, because I know most of us have fallen victim whereby we make payments, maybe subscriptions, yes, and before we know, we want to place it, we want to stop the subscription, but we can't, because PayPal automatically saves recurrent billing in a platform. So I will show you how you can stop that or put that to an end and remain safe, so that you can easily activate it on your own whenever you are ready. So the first thing you do, you have to log into your PayPal account, and this is my PayPal account. I just logged in. Yes, if once you log in, if you're making use of Nigerian PayPal especially, this is the view you'll see. So the next thing you will do is to click on settings. Look at the J icon at the top right, yes, close to logout. You click on it, then it will take you to a new page, and this is a page, and this actually like where you now see various navigation at the top. So the next thing you click on is you click on payments. The first you see is account security, and you now click on payments. Now it now take you to where a new window pops up where you can automatically manage your payment options. So you now click on manage automatic payments. You click on it. So once you click on it, if you look at the left hand, you see at the various services by which you have used PayPal to pay, and it awaits your automatic reinstallment automatically, which means that, for example, assuming I didn't deactivate that the theme I told you of, automatically once you get to the certain date of renewal, it will renew automatically without even notifying me. So the only notification I'll get is when the payment must have been removed from my bank account. So like you can see, the automatic payments, for example, this is Fiverr International. I do pay. Most of us already know Fiverr. Yes, it's a freelancing site whereby you pay for services and people will carry it out for you. So if you click on see more, if you have orders, you will see, but I've deactivated most. So I want to use this one of Fiverr to actually teach you how to do it. As you can see, it says manage automatic payments, now all in one simple space. People have to provide this feature so that you can easily activate or deactivate it. That means if you don't want automatic payments in all your services. So now if you want to deactivate, for example, let's say this is Fiverr International, and maybe I enrolled in a service with them whereby I supposed to pay, let me say, yearly, and now I want to deactivate it. So how will I go about it? So the next thing you do, you have to click on the Fiverr International Limited, or maybe any service you paid for. So now it pops up. So as you can see, I can cancel or I can activate it. There are two options there. Already it is already activated, so I want to cancel it. So once I cancel this, it simply means that recurrent payments in these services will automatically cease until maybe in the future I want to activate it once again. You can see how helpful this feature is. So if you've been falling victim for a while, whereby you do sit and maybe a certain amount of money is being deducted from your either from your PayPal balance or automatically through your card, so you have to put this to an end. So now I want to stop this services from undergoing recurrent billing. So I have to click on cancel. It will not ask you cancel your future automatic payments to Fiverr International. Yes, you either make two options. If you want to continue, say keep automatic payment. But if you want to cancel, so in this instance I want to cancel because I'm teaching how to stop it. So once I click on cancel, then I click on done, automatically it's now what? Inactive. As you can see, it's now inactive. If I click on show active, look at the message I got. I say you don't have any active automatic payment at this time. You can find more merchants to add now. So let me click on the show inactive. You see the various ones. Just like I said, my team shop, yes, GoDaddy. I deactivated this one. So you can see that once you follow the steps that I just this tutorial that I just gave out, you see that you can easily stop recurrent payments on your PayPal billing. Yes, that's as simple as that. So if you find this video useful, or maybe you're confused in any point, I would like you to use the comment section to tell us about where you're confused, or maybe if you carry out this step and it eventually worked for you, also use the comment section to tell us how it went. And before you leave, I also like you to share this video. Maybe a friend of yours, a colleague, a family member will want to make use of the steps to stop recurrent billing or recurrent payment on PayPal. So with that, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. So Chibuzagwa remains my name. I'm blogging for tech is the channel. If up to now you've not hit the subscription button, I would like you to hit the subscription button and also the bell notification, so that you'll be part of the family, and also you'll be the first that will get notified whenever I release a video just like this. So I hope you've done that, because the next video might be a bomb. Who knows what I will teach next? So like I said, Chibuzo Agua remains my name. We'll see in my next video. So bye bye for now.